What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna be making some lettuce wraps, some BLTA. The A is for avocado lettuce wraps. These are very easy to make. The key thing is, whichever kind of lettuce you end up using, you want to wrap them in parchment paper. That is the key to lettuce wraps. As much as you'd like your lettuce to act like a tortilla or a wrap, it's gonna be messy no matter what, unless you wrap the outside in parchment paper, and so that's what we're gonna do. And so to get started, I'm just going to take a sheet of parchment paper. I'm going to lay it down flat. Next, I'm gonna lay down some lettuce leaves. We're using green leaf lettuce today. This is my favorite to use for lettuce wraps. And I'm just going to lay down 3 green leaf lettuce leaves. I'm gonna choose nice big leaves. I'm just going to lay them down 3 in a row like this. Next, I'm gonna lay down a couple slices of tomato. On top of that, I'm gonna add 2 slices of bacon. I cooked my bacon in the oven today. What I do is just lay it in a sheet pan with some parchment paper, and I just cook it at 400 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. Very easy to do. And so I'm going to throw 2 slices of bacon on top. Then I'm gonna put a few slices of avocado. I'm gonna use about half of an avocado here. And then I'm going to top this off with the OG Primal Kitchen mayo. What I've done is I got these condiment squeeze bottles off of Amazon, and I just put my mayo into here. Makes it really easy to squeeze out. So I'm just gonna squeeze some mayo on top. And then the tricky part, the part you wanna pay attention, is wrapping these. It's actually not that hard to do. What you're gonna do is just take one end and you're gonna pull it over, and you're just gonna pull all this in. And you want to pull the paper under, and you want this initial wrap to be very tight. Get it tight under all your lettuce. Squeeze it nice and tight. Once you've got that initial wrap, you're gonna fold in the top and bottom, just like a burrito. And then you're going to finish the wrapping. And then I'm just going to use a serrated knife to cut it in half. And there you go, my beautiful BLTA lettuce wrap. Look at that, delicious. And if you want to pick up any Primal Kitchen mayo or any other Primal Kitchen product, you can get them all at primalkitchen.com. If you use the code HELLO20, you'll get 20% off your entire order. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.